Best pump sprayer reviews. Idisol Portable Garden Pump Sprayer Brass. Feature adjustable brass rod, locking trigger, 50 inches hose, black handles and white bottle. Pros: adjustable nozzles for convenience, locking on feature parents fatigue. Ideal for a small and medium-sized garden. Clogging preventing ant clog feature. Cons: no clear instruction manual, no warranty given. Scott's battery-powered pump. Features: 24 gallons per charge. Pressure release valve. 3-in-1 nozzle setting. Rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Pros: efficient and effortless using no pumping. Effective 3-nozzle spray pattern. Features 3-year free parts warranty. Strong chemical resistance polyward. Cons: sells costly. Lawn and garden pump pressure sprayer. Vivasun 1.35-gallon lawn and garden pump pressure sprayer with pressure relief valve. Comfort is the major drive towards purchasing this super pump, which features a pressure relief valve. There are no more shoulder aches, as the Vivasun unit also features shoulder straps that are adjustable, enhancing user experience. Having a considerable capacity, which is 1.3 gallons, it is the most recommendable unit for most indoor and outdoor tasks. Features: the capacity of 1.3 gallons. Nozzle is adjustable. High-quality plastic body. Affordable unit. Pros: easy to monitor, calibrated translucent bottle. Versatile for use indoors and outdoors. Features a heavy-duty shoulder strap. A thick button boosts stability and durability. Features 1-year satisfaction warranty. Cons: not good for very corrosive chemicals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.